Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this back on so you can see it all come back to life again in real time. And you can watch the meter start to move as well. So we still have our bulb on, so I'm going to go ahead and start that up. And you'll see everything come back to life. And you can see our meters there. And what I want to show you is the large wire DC output. So I'm going to change our selection here so it's the DC. Okay? Now, this is both of our coils coming together. So our small wire and our large wire coming together. Now what I want to show you is the connection for just our large wire after it's been rectified. So as you can see, it's producing 17.50. So I can still draw another load off of our bridge rectifier even though we have both coils paired here. So we can actually increase our load tolerance by pulling power off of this rectifier into our circuit as well. Because of how the coil is producing power right now, I can actually produce multiple loads through multiple channels on the coil. And that's one of the main differences in why I'm able to produce so much power, is using the Vesper coil calculator. We can actually increase the inductance ratio of a coil through the calculation process, and that'll increase the overall available voltage and amperage, which I call seriesing the coil. So a series does not necessarily, in my coils, mean a series circuit in electronics. We series the coil together in the way that we use the programming so that you can effectively gain the most amount of power outside the coil. And so that's what we're able to do here. Again, if I show you the DC output on the large wire, you'll see that it's 17.48. Our paired coil is 15.75. Now, if I turn the load off completely, you'll see that paired is 27.15. Now, if I do just the one side, you'll see that it's 26.43 coming off the large side of our coil, the large wire. So it is wired in parallel. You will increase the voltage just a little bit when you wire it in parallel, but you do double the amperage. So that's exactly what we're doing here. And I wanted to show you that so you could see the intensity in the bulbs. And I hope that you've enjoyed that video, and I look forward to all of your comments and feedback. Thank you.